in the magic zone.
Okay.
Okay.
This is clearly a downhill.
Down here, right? And
Yeah,
clearly.
I put my car in neutral.
Yes.
And then we go.
We're not going down.
We go back.
You can go back.
Whoa. Why is that? Uno, dos, tres. Hello guys, I'm back in Mexico. So good. I'm so scared right now. How do you feel, Ricky, holding that many babies in your hand?
So important.
My life is worth it.
For everything.
This is unreal, guys. Good morning. Super early right now. Oh, this is a mango tree. Oh, look at those baby mango. So many of them. The big tree. So we're hiking up to this cross. The road is super steep. Are we halfway yet?
No, we just started.
What? So I might look super tired because I woke up at 2:45 yesterday. We didn't sleep until 11:30. Woke up at 6:45. I'm be so tired today.
A few moments later.
We made it. See the cross and the view. We're now at the Sunday market. Tons of people here. We're going to grab food. I'll show you guys later. What is in here?
Habanero pepper. Today they're better than last time.
She forgot the glass for you.
Spicy.
It's very spicy. But it's very good. You don't eat a lot.
We're now in Colima. You can see the church there. Drove 2 hours from Manzanillo to Colima. And now what are we getting, Ricky?
We're getting tejuino.
Salt.
They add salt. They add lime.
And then what is this?
That is the magic. And then they shake it.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Like salty. Tastes like some kind of candy. So is it a fruit?
No, ¿qué tiene el tejuino? It has cinnamon, it has brown sugar, corn dog, tamarindo también, ¿no? Tamarind.
So hello. So we're getting lunch here with Salvador and Carla. They're in the back.
Va a ser un sope de crema con queso fresco, un sope de chicharrón, uno de zapato, uno con crema y queso, una quesadilla de asada, un sope de asada con crema, un sope de asada y un sope de huitlacoche.
So there's
They make
cheese
it
and cream.
It's very good, right? It's very, very good.
Super creamy.
It's super like.
Y limones, señorita, por favor.
But it's so good.
Really good.
Sí.
The
That
fungus.
grows on the corn.
Wow. This is it.
Yeah, this is it.
Adding the
Like
Camino
if you're
salt.
biting,
Just a little bit.
chip on the tower.
Okay.
Yo creo que nada más un poco de más hielo, por favor.
The mushroom.
Aparte siempre tienen
I like
música
it.
buena. Ayer tenían así como Los Ángeles
So good.
Azul.
Eduardo.
Mis favorite food is the quesadilla.
Oh, that's my favorite too.
Colima.
patas.
He's gonna tell you how to get to it.
Vámonos, ¿qué es?
Vámonos.
Chuchu.
Espresso Express.
De teto no, de teto total.
Oh, pues qué lata. It's not Espresso Express. It's Polar Express.
We're staying here for the weekend. This is a cabin. Wow. This is great. Wow.
Uno, dos, sí. Tres.
Ooh. Hello. So we're chilling at the cabin right now, and I bought this roasted sweet milk tea for my sister. So I'm going to make it. So it says to open the cap, fill water, and then you shake it for 30 to 2 minutes, and then you put it into the fridge. Hopefully this will be good. This is what it says. So inside, just a tea bag with sugar, I believe. So, shake it. Now I'm going to put it into the fridge for 2 hours. See you later.
2,000 years later.
Let's try it. Here.
Looks like you're drinking like soy milk.
It's good.
Oh, very good. Very good.
Whoa, no! Go. Oh. Mayday, mayday. Have hot chocolate after dinner.